What up, baby? Today I'm gonna show you how to sound like Corpse Husband. Let's go. Corpse Husband, the elusive, the famous. Why does he have such a deep fucking voice? Oh my god, choke me. Let's start off with a hi-hat and snare pattern like this. Let's add some flavor. We want to get the finest distorted 808, but don't make the pattern too complex. 1 or 2 notes. Add some fucking kicks to match. Sirens. I also added this thing. Here are the settings. Copy it if you like. Also this. Put it all together and it should sound something like this. I feel like I'm forgetting something. Oh yeah, the voice. So how do we sound like Corpse Husband? To teach you this, you have to understand a concept about the human voice, which is called registers. The voice has these different registers and modes of operation that are called ranges. So you have the falsetto range, the modal range, and the fry range. If you want to talk like Corpse Husband, you have to be in the fry range like all the time. So how do we get down there to the fry range? Try this exercise. Pretend like you're super tired and you're just like, I don't want to go to school. You know, just sound like this bitch from that one movie. Alright, so you might have noticed that doesn't sound exactly like Corpse Husband, does it? That's because we need to do 2 other things. We need to lower our larynx and put compression on our voice. Lowering your larynx is super simple. Just put your hand on your Adam's apple.
And if you feel it going down, you're doing it right. Just do a Patrick Star voice. That's all you need to do.
Just don't do it too much. Just do it a little bit. And then compression, I can't really explain this. You just kind of gotta go like this. But just a little bit. You put them all together and you become Corpse Husband. What up, baby? Okay, so you might have noticed that doesn't sound exactly like Corpse Husband. That's because I haven't done it in a while. You see, when you do this voice for a prolonged period of time, the voice actually becomes better. I used to talk like this all the time back in 2018. Back in my Discord days. Have a listen.
Did you think you could run from me?
Whoa, so deep. And I can't play more of that because it's a really embarrassing recording. Just do it all the time and you'll sound amazing. But I have to tell you something. He doesn't actually rap like that. Well, in some songs he does. But when he raps, he actually uses a different voice.
Why do you make us learn all this shit? I just wanna make a song.
The voice he uses when he raps is a lot more breathier. It's like,
choke me like you hate me, but you love me.
We want to employ the same techniques as before.
The lowering of the larynx.
Putting a little pressure on there to make it just a little deeper. But this time we want to add a lot of breath.
So, we want to talk like this.
And we kind of want to whisper it. It's a very peculiar type of rapping voice that sounds amazing when you put it in a song.
Choke me like you love me, but you hate me.
It's kind of taking like a whisper type of sound and mixing it in with the original Corpse voice. Woo! Okay, you made it through all that. It's time for the vocal chain. For the vocal chain, I put a lot of compression and de-essing on it because you kind of have to be quiet when you rap like that. I also bust it into another track which has a stereo widener on it to make it just sound fuller and bigger and beefier. I always suck at writing lyrics, but this is what I came up with. Nails painted black and my hands hella veiny. All the boys and e-girls saying that they want to date me. Fuck me, I bleed, spilling wine on my white tee. You know, cause white tee song. Catching bodies, killing friends, I murder on the daily. Cause Among Us. Choke me, fist me daddy. This is what all girls want these days, I'm pretty sure. All the e-girls want to fuck me so badly. She's sliding on my dick like she was a fucking condom. If you fuck with me, that's a fucking problem. That's what I got. Then for the final touch, we're just gonna add some nice anime fighting gifs and...
Here's how it should sound like.
Nails painted black and my hands hella veiny. All the boys and girls saying that they wanna take me. Fuck me, I bleed, spilling wine on my white tee. Catching bodies, killing friends, I murder on the daily. Choke me, fist me, daddy. All the niggas wanna fuck me so badly. She's sliding on my dick like a condom. If you fuck with me, that's a fucking problem.
Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, remember to comment, rate, and subscribe.
Take this and this and this.
Don't fucking do what YouTubers just tell you to do. Live your own life. Good night, America. Doing that scene actually made my hand hurt. I had to punch my chair. Ow.